Hello, beautiful people. This video is about scripting, how to actually do scripting. I'll give you the exact questions, and if you just answer those questions, you will be able to script like a winner. Okay. So, see, there are a lot of different techniques here, like affirming, visualizing, but scripting is if you like scripting, if you always wanted to try scripting, then yes, scripting is a really magical technique. I have manifested a lot of things that would be considered kind of impossible, but I manifested it literally. I remember I scripted about having many channels, like many YouTube channels. And at that point in my life, I was like, it's not possible. It's not possible for me to be successful in every channel, all those things. But I wanted it. So I scripted it and it happened. I have 3 YouTube channels, all of them are monetized. I also have Instagrams that have a major following that, like, literally, I have gone viral on like 2 Instagrams and like 3 YouTube channels. What are the chances? It's manifestation, you guys. I also manifested a specific person. I'm just telling you this so that you have an idea. Like, you can literally manifest anything or anyone. There are no limits. And yes, you can manifest multiple desires as well. But I would say that you focus on one desire for now, okay? Like, for this and then you can manifest more and more and more. Okay, before I get into this, if you're new here, I am Nehal, aka your guardian angel, and I'm here to remove all the blocks between you and your desires, because the blocks are not real, they are just in your mind, and I will erase them like this. Also, I manifest for every single person that is subscribed to my channel. So if you want me to manifest for you, then do subscribe. You will start seeing results. The major hack in scripting is living in the end. Okay, please stick with me here. Everyone says that, especially in law of assumption, because this whole channel is about law of assumption and manifestation, right? So, in law of assumption, it is being said by Neville Goddard that live in the end and assume the wish fulfilled, and then you will have the wish, basically. So, I'll explain in a simple terms. Neville Goddard says that you should live in the end as if you should live like the wish is already fulfilled, like you already have this, like it is already done, and then boom, you have the wish, basically. So living in the end is basically like, I already have this, I already got this, it is already done, that energy. So what I do is, whenever I start scripting, I write down in all capitals. I just saw 333 on the timer. Okay, so I write down, it is done, in all caps. So whenever we write in capital letters, it just seems like, oh, this is serious, this is important. So that's why I write in capital letters, but you do you. So I write down, it is done. And then I tell myself, it is done, it is done, it is done. No matter how impossible it seems. I didn't believe in any of these things before I manifested all of these things, by the way, but I still manifested. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I also manifested like a specific person. I wrote down the qualities and I didn't know anyone. Like, basically, like, I manifested this person out of the blue, and it happened so easily that after a few days I was like, oh, I actually manifested this, like, down to the point, like the physical appearance, the nature, whatever, everything, literally everything. And it just happens very easily. Okay, so first write down, it is done, and then tell yourself, it is done, it is already done, I'm already living this. You don't have to believe in this, by the way. I didn't believe. Okay, so you don't have to believe, just tell yourself that it is done, and then just with that line, write down in all capitals that I, whatever your wish is, like, not, I would not say wish, whatever your manifestation is, manifesting marriage with your soulmate, let's say. Okay, like the person that is made for you, the person that is your divine match. So write down, I am married to my soulmate. So this is a statement, basically, which literally means that it is done. It's not like, I hope my soulmate exists and I hope I'm lucky enough to get married to my soulmate. I hope this happens. I want, no, nothing like that. It's like, I am married to my soulmate. Like, it is already done. It is already done. I am married to my soulmate. Like that. I am living in my dream house. Okay, I am working in my dream job. Whatever you're manifesting, I have this type of body, I have this type of skin, I have this color eyes, I have this type of hair. Whatever it is, I'm living in this country. I have manifested everything that I said. It's just like, do it like this. but write it in a way that it is already done. Okay, that's the first step here. So after that, I'll give you two techniques to just prompt you to go in the right direction. See, everyone knows how to manifest consciously. Like, we are just natural at it. As human beings, our brains are just wired in a way that we have this rich imagination. I don't know if animals imagine or not, but it's like human beings, you can even look it up. Like, human beings are really good at imagining. And that's why we are very good at manifesting. Imagination goes hand in hand. Even Albert Einstein talked about it. It's like he said something like imagination goes around the world, something like that. But he said it in a very weird way, like no one would understand, but it's imagination. So basically, use your imagination power. Okay, I want you to do both of these, but if you like one better, then do that, I guess. So one is story time. Story time. So in this, it's like how it happened. Pretend that you're talking to a friend, you're talking to someone that you really like, and they asked you that, oh, how did this happen, you know? It's just like that. So you go back, you're like, there was a point in my life that I didn't believe in this, but I decided to do this technique. So I kept on doing it. I was disciplined about it. And then this happened. And how did this start? Like, I naturally bumped into this person. This person introduced me to this person, and this is how it happened. And I saw this interview. Whatever the story is, you say that. Like, you use your imagination. Okay. So this is how it happened. I met this person. I had this career opportunity. This is how I started becoming rich, whatever. You just write down the story. It's like, in this story, it starts from the beginning. It's like how you were feeling before, how everything worked out for you, what did you do, and then just details. It's like the person, okay, how does this person look? Or it's like, where did this person confess to you? It was sunset, it was in a park, it was in a, I don't know, on top of the mountain, whatever you want. So it's something like that. So go into details. Okay, and it's like, this is how it happened, I was so happy, I felt so special, blah blah blah. So go into the feeling of it as well. It's like, yeah, I felt really blessed, but at the same time I was not surprised because I knew this would happen. It just happened so easily, so naturally, as if like this person was made for me, as if I was just meant to be a rich person, as if I was just meant to have this dream career, whatever you're manifesting. So like that. So this is called story time. This is how people do story time. You know, even there are so many story time on YouTube's where people are YouTube's YouTube, that people are talking about like, oh, I met this person like this. Oh, I traveled solo and this is my story. So it's like story time. It's interesting. There's a lot of nuance in this. It's like, this happened, that happened. You know, it's interesting. So go deeper into it. Imagine. Okay, use your imagination. It doesn't have to be realistic. You can even write about, I got married in a castle, I got married to a prince. It's just like, I met the celebrity like this, and my skin just started glowing like this. You know, whatever. There are no limits. Okay. If you are manifesting multiple desires with this, do a different story time for everything. For example, if it's something like physical appearance, do a story time that someone is asking, oh, you used to look like this, now you look so better. Like, what happened? You know, and this is someone that you genuinely like. So it's like, oh, this is how it happened. You're just giving all the tea, you're just giving all the secrets, right? Okay. So you can do different story times for different desires. It depends on you. It could be any n number of desires. There are no limits. Another technique is a day. This is basically like, I have done a meditation like this. I'll link a video. I think it was called Manifest Multiple Desires like this, something like that. In that, I literally guide you to do this, to spend a day in your life where this is already done. Okay. So let's say that you're manifesting a person and you're manifesting getting married to them. So basically, that like you're living with them, right? So a day in your life, this is how I woke up. I woke up in this type of bed, my person is next to me. Or I woke up and my person was in the kitchen humming and cooking for me, like cooking my favorite breakfast. It could be anything. It's like I woke up and this is how it happened. I had so many clients and there were like so many payment notifications on my phone. I It's almost like I made money while I was sleeping. This has happened to me. I have manifested this. Okay. So it is possible. Yep, it is. Everything is possible, you guys. There is no such thing as unrealistic or impossible in this world. Okay, it's 2026. Wake up. Wake up. A day in your life, basically, I start with waking up. So, this is how bed sheets feel like. This is how the room looks like. If you're like manifesting a dream home as well, you can do that. So, it's like large windows, big bed. I'm walking into the kitchen. There's music playing. My favorite person, my forever person is here. My soulmate. I have kids, whatever it is, you can write down about your whole day. Like start from the morning to afternoon to evening till night. It's like write down everything. This is what I'm doing in the evening now that I already have this. This is how I'm doing, this is how my nighttime routine looks like because I already have this, because it's already done. Like I am that person. It is already done. Obviously your routine changes, your whole day changes, and there are like some small changes that you have tweaked. Something happened. So write down about your day in your life. And if you need inspiration, you need like, oh, what it is, like I need someone to guide me, then yes, that video is available. If I forget to link, please comment down below. I'll paste that link in the comment section. Okay. um it's like so easy, basically, and you feel so good as well. It's like because you're living in the end, right? So it's just like that. Now a big question is like, how much time does it take? Don't ask about time when it comes to manifestation. Okay, do your work. Do whatever technique you're doing, in this case scripting. So keep doing the scripting thing. Like story time, I think once or maybe 5 6 times is enough. The same story time, you can do different story time as well. Like someone is asking, oh, how did you meet this person? Someone is asking, oh, how did you get this skin? Or someone is asking, oh, you went on honeymoon to this country, how was it? So you're doing a story time about that. The story times, you can do like whatever 6 7 times, whatever your imagination takes, but that's it. Otherwise just read it every day and it's the same thing. And then a day in my life, it's like you write it and every day you add something. It's like it's the same thing, but sometimes you add like oh, your person gave you flowers, or sometimes you can add that they bought a diamond necklace for you, they surprised you with a trip abroad, they made dinner for you, whatever. You can add these things. You can do a day in my life, you can do a date, like you went out on a date and this was how it was. Just go into details. Scripting is all about details. Honestly, manifestation is all about details. You have to use your imagination on this. Yeah, basically, that's what it is. Okay. And don't ever be realistic or logical. Be unrealistic. Be illogical. Manifestation is magic, and magic doesn't make sense. It doesn't have to make sense. Okay. Manifestation is also science. So if you don't believe in it, uh, well, it works. It works. If you don't believe in it, you should probably watch my video where I help you manifest something. It's like manifesting an ice cream. I'll link that video over here somewhere. If I forget, ask me in the comment section, please, and I'll give you that video link. It's just like after doing that video, you will 100% believe that yes, manifestation is possible. It is possible. Anything is possible. I was talking about time though. So if you are thinking about time and you are thinking, oh, when will it happen? That literally means it has not happened yet. And law of assumption is all about it is already done. I already have this. It has already happened. So, living in the wish fulfilled state is basically telling yourself over and over and over, it is done, it is done, it is done. Proofs are not required. You just have to repeat this to yourself. You don't have to see evidences. You don't have to see something physical, proof. You don't have to see anything. Okay? It just keep telling yourself, it is done, it is done, it is done, it is done. Be stubborn about this. Keep telling yourself, it is done, it is done, it is done. Okay? When I was manifesting moving to Canada, nothing was really happening. Like I still didn't have enough money. I still wasn't able to move. No one was supporting me. Nothing was changing. But still, I was telling myself over and over again, It is done. I'm already in Canada. It is done. It is done. It is done. And so keep telling yourself this. Okay? Keep writing it. It is done. It is done. It is done. And stop asking when will it happen. If that question pops in your mind, remind yourself over and over again, it is done. It is done. It is done. The more that you live in the state of already having it, the faster you have it. Basically, it takes few days, few weeks. There is no limit. You can write down today and you can get that tomorrow. It just, time is not real. Time doesn't make sense. So don't worry about time, okay? It's just like keep doing your work. Keep doing your work and don't complain. That's it. That's the only thing that you have to do. If you're complaining about not having it, that means you are not in the state of having it, obviously. And the more you be in the state of having it, the more you are behaving like the person that already has it, you have it. It's just like that. Manifestation does feel like a game. It does feel like pretending. It does feel like lying to yourself. But this is how it works. It is like method acting. It is like acting like, yeah, I already have this. I'm already a wife. I'm already a millionaire. I'm already a successful YouTuber. I already am that. I don't need to see 1 million subscribers. I don't need to see $1 million in my bank account to think that I am a millionaire, that I am a successful YouTuber, that I am rich, that I already have this person. You know what I mean? So keep doing that. Keep, please keep doing that. Keep doing the work. And subscribe to me because I will keep on reminding you guys that you are amazing, you're beautiful, you're smart, you're good enough, and you deserve this. That this is possible. This is possible. And I know you're soon going to comment down your success story to me and you'd be like, wow, this, well, yeah, this happened. And then you'd be like, you were right. I just had to stay disciplined. I just had to stop complaining. And I kept on doing this and it happened. It happened. It happened. Okay. I love you guys so much. Check out my one on one coaching options, meditations, courses. Everything is down below. Literally, every desire you have, I have something for that. So go there. I love you guys so much. And I'm always here for you. Okay. You are not alone in this. It is possible because it's already done. It is already done. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Happy manifesting.